Metadata is very important for any file, especially for photos and images, because it carries a lot of information about it. For example, who created the file, when it was created, what are the dimensions, what is the size of the file, etc. If you are on Windows and you want to preview the metadata, just open up your Explorer, right click on the file and go to Properties. From here, select Details, and here you'll be able to have a look at all these information. In Bridge, you select the file, and in the Metadata tab, you'll be able to look at all these information at once. File name, document type, application, etc. Well, we are interested in IPTC core. Click here, and here you'll be able to see all the related informations like the creator of the file, the job title, address, city, headline, description, keyword, etc., including the copyright notice and status. Now, if I want to add this metadata to the selected file, I will be just clicking on here and start writing. But it will be very tedious to add information to all of these files, because most of this information will be the same. For that, we have an option that is called the metadata template. Go to Tools and select Create Metadata Template. Here you'll be able to give a name to your template. For example, client. If you want creator to be there, just check it over here, and then you'll be able to input the creator. For example, I'm giving ABC company. There are a lot of fields that you can give, but we are interested in copyright notice and status. It is unknown, so let's select copyrighted, and in notice we are just typing the year and the name. If you want more, there is a lot of information. City, email. If you want the people looking at your file to be able to contact you, you give your contact information here. For example, we are writing this abc at sample.com, and of course the date created. So this is not necessary to fill all the fields. Just choose as you want and click on Save. Now the template is saved. Now select the files you want this template to apply. For now, I want to select all the files, so I'll press Ctrl and A together. That will select all the files. Now go to Tool, and here will be two options: Append Metadata and Replace Metadata. If you have the metadata already exist, you can replace that. If you don't, select Append Metadata. For now, I'll replace the metadata. As I do that, there are some errors because the file may be not accessible. I'll just click OK. It will go ahead and write the metadata to the other files. Now I'm going back here, going to the Properties and Details. Now you see the author is this ABC company, and there is this copyright notice that we have given in Adobe Bridge. This way you will be able to write metadata at once.